G'day guys, this is a 2014 Fiesta. What's funny with these cars is like people dread these, and rightfully so. When they're in the Mazda 3 and they're on the other side with the cockpit controller above it and all that, it's horrible. So we have been getting these in without the cabin filters in them. So people go to fit them, and that's what's happened here. Like apparently the mechanic even admitted it. So they couldn't get the cabin filters in. Now, this car had no filters in it. So as you can see, the top filter has this little tab on it. Okay. And you hold it up there and then slide this one in. The direction of airflow is that way. So direction of airflow is that way. So what you do, you slide this into the track and then you lift it up. And also another little hint with it, it's got the foam on top and the other one doesn't. And that's basically going to be your orientation of the filters, just like in the beginning of the video. I hope that helps. Bye.